Good evening, everyone. I'm Siddhant Pradhan, one of the facilitator for social media marketing. Today is the third session for the social media marketing, where we are going to talk about tools to handle social media in an elaborative manner, where a practical insights would be provided to all the interns as well as all the participants who is watching our video in a depth manner. If you have any cool sort of doubts or you want to comment about the video, you can write in the chat box as well as you can mail us on the provided email ID in the description section. So let's get started. We at Indogulf Management Association is going to celebrate a 2 days of learning festival on the domain of cryptocurrency and personal branding. So whomever is it may be concerned, if you are watching this video, do join our workshop and all the details regarding the workshop would be provided in the description section itself. So let's get started. Social media is a platform which is not restricted to one or two or three tools. It has n number of tools which needs to be explored. And in this session, we are going to explore not one, not two, not three tools, but more than 9 tools in detailed manner. So, considering all the social media platforms, that is Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube, Facebook, tools are a necessary aspect to work on. And why it is necessary, we are going to comment in this session itself. So, the first tool which we are going to talk about is known as BuzzSumo. BuzzSumo is a website where you can find relevant content for your social media page with ease. For instance, our session on 70s is on cryptocurrency, and I need content like news, quizzes, and any sort of things that can provide me a great engagement. So I would be just typing my web content of that is cryptocurrency, and by clicking on search, I would be getting relevant content on the domain of cryptocurrency with ease. And what's the best part? It's provide me the insights that how many individuals are liking this type of content. Like Tesla buys 1.5 billion in Bitcoin, plans to accept it as payment. So this was the news of February 8th. Then the updated news came in like the Bitcoin crashes as Elon Musk announces Tesla car will no longer be brought in cryptocurrency. This was the insights it received from Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and like the total engagement is also been shared with you. What you need to take care is you need to just add up some filters which can help you fetch trendiest and fresh topics among the community itself. And this is the filter which I was talking about. It can be a video, it can be an article, it can be from a B2B publisher. The word count can also be adjusted by you. If you are focusing on the country itself, then I have to just log in into this particular portal and I can start my trial basis of prospect. Other than that, all the details regarding cryptocurrency can be seen on the screen, and the freshest news which I can see, that is on July 9, that is historic power plant decides mining Bitcoin, like mining Bitcoin is more profitable than selling electricity. And this was the news which was pretty much in highlight with 72.4k lakhs or k thousand of total engagement. And that's what I was talking about, that if you want to fetch engaging content, just go through with this type of content and you will find that this particular website will help you to fetch positive, analytical, trendiest content with ease. Just you have to log in or you have to just start your trial. And this was the news I was talking about, where you can find the headline with proper description with ease. So this was the first website, that is BuzzSumo. Then comes one of the important application when you once you have started growing your domain in the domain of content writing. Grammarly. Grammarly provides you with the aspects of correction, analysis, clarity, engagement, and is the delivery right or not. If you are a good content writer, then Grammarly is a platform made for you guys. For instance, let's check out the Grammarly aspect of the content provided on the platform of Indo Gulf Marketing uh, social media handles. Is this properly scheduled in a precise manner or not? Let's see it in front of you in a practical manner. So, as you can see on the screen, the content which has been published by the organizing team of Indogulf Management Association has gentle mistakes. But though, if you can see the relevancy point, that is, the delivery is totally right, the engagement is perfectly correct, the clarity is precise. The only aspect is grammar and the what we can say spelling mistakes. That it should be cryptocurrencies. Then there should be no space in cryptocurrency. Then there should be a comma. There should be an hyphen. There should be spacing and all sort of things. So it's a suggestion for those who are handling the content. Always use Grammarly for receiving precision. See, the spelling of receive is also wrong. So it would be great if you are using Grammarly on a precise manner so that your correctness stability can also grow accordingly with the content you are publishing. So that's how Grammarly helps you in providing precision. And see, before the scoring was 70. Now let's see how much it has been calculating. So now the overall score has been increased to 96. So that's how Grammarly helps you in growing your content in a precise manner. Next thing is Quora. Quora is like a platform where people is not thinking about considering it as a B2B marketing platform, but being honest, for SEO, for SMM, for content, Quora is the best platform to opt for. You just need to type cryptocurrency, and in this, once you have been redirected to the platform cryptocurrency, you will find many questions regarding like can I invest in cryptocurrency, and this is the content you will fetch. Then how do I recover loss in cryptocurrency, and what is the best cryptocurrency to buy and hold, and similar sort of thing. So how this Quora can help you. So let me explain you in a practical manner. Suppose, suppose, suppose any individual over there listening to me is a content writer. And as you know, on 17th, there is a workshop on cryptocurrency. So I can write a question and publish on Quora that I want to learn cryptocurrency, where I can find workshops on cryptocurrency. Simple as you like. Just click on add questions, and then it will be providing you a better suggestion. I want to learn cryptocurrency, where where, and I am not liking the suggestion which is provided to me. I'm just going with the ask the original question, and here we go. Just highlight everything, that is of cryptocurrency investing classes, workshop, learning, trading, learning new things, and done. My question would be published in a while. Once it has been published, I can just see my published question in the profile section over here. And suppose I'm sharing this particular link in the comment section, and over here, who is going to see my question can reply to me by promoting and branding IGMA's 2 days of learning festival over here itself. So that's how you can use Quora in a prominent manner. And this is one of the important thing which I would suggest all the interns over here. If you want to fetch contents on the domain of cryptocurrency, just look at into this particular Quora itself. Suppose she is telling me, let's see that should I invest in crypto in 2021? Just read the whole paragraph, and from the paragraph you can find bullet points. Just create bullet points and provide me the details, and I would be just converting that content into graphical manner, which you can publish on the IndoGulf social media handles for branding and promoting cryptocurrency, as well as our workshop, as well as our something precision and attractive for engagement would be published on the social media handle by the means of Quora itself. So that's why Quora also helps us in fetching and finding relevant content. Then comes hashtag. Why hashtag is important? The reason is on LinkedIn, on Instagram, there should be maximum of 30 hashtags to be used on your content, on your caption, for getting more engagement, for getting more insights as far as Instagram algorithm. Suppose your next conference is on cryptocurrency. Just click on generate hashtag and you will find uh, prominent hashtags. Just click on select all and over here you will find hashtags on cryptocurrency. And I've also fetched uh, hashtags for personal branding for you guys, so you don't need to find personal branding hashtags over here. But yeah, for your practical aspect, you can do that part. But yeah, for you guys, I've just fetched everything. Just click on copy, and easily you can add all this, what we can say, hashtags on your caption on LinkedIn or Instagram or any other domain. Then comes blog. Blog is a platform for enhancing your captions. Suppose I have copied and pasted your caption over here. What blog will help me? Blog will play a prominent role like Instagram, and over it will be suggesting me that my character is still a bit less. It should have 2,200 characters. So I will increase my characters first, and still four hashtags are remaining. So I will add four hashtags in my contents also. So that's how, after correcting all my details and adding hashtags and characters, this will make my captions more effective and precise. So that's why you can use Blog Drive as a platform. Then the next and the most important tool is Linktree. Linktree is a platform where you can add multiple links. Up, like when if you are watching the Instagram bio, you will find the link tree of Indogirl, and that's the tree which helps you to fetch n number of links. For instance, I'm clicking on add link. In add link, I just need to add the title. Suppose Indo Gulf Dubai website, and over here I just need to add the URL of Indo Gulf. So I'm just adding the URL, and here you go. So that's it. On the right hand side, you can see a preview screen. Whenever an individual clicks on the screen, how the preview screen would look like. Let me refresh the page and let me show you that this is the update I have done. And if you will click this particular link tree, you will find the Dubai's Indogulf Dubai's website on your screen as well. So that's how Linktree helps you to fetch multiple uh, links on a single platform. You can just check through this Linktree domain, and this is the analysis you will find over here also, that people as you viewed my link 182 times, they have clicked 101 times, and that's why Linktree plays an important role. Then comes remove image from your background. Why this tool is important? As you can see the Indogulf management page in Fast, over here you can see I'm not pointing anything to anyone. I'm just explaining you a good aspect while running a management or organization. As you can see, this particular registration form or this particular portion is not that much attractive. If you can see the register now, it has a white border surrounding that particular domain. To remove this particular black border or the white border, what you can do is, put an image. I guess I don't have any image to show you guys, but still I will try to, yeah, suppose the logo of Figma. This is the original image which has been uploaded. And here you go. The black background has been removed. Just click on download and that's it. See the changes you can find. Like the image has no black background and it has a prominent aspect while you were using it on your social media handle. So this is the one of the major tool if you are a graphic designer. So you should use remove background as a tool. Then comes Quillbot. Quillbot is a platform which provides you with creativity in your content or captions. Right now, what is happening that we are just uploading similar content on a regular basis, and to enhance this particular thing, Quillbot plays a major role. Suppose I have again copy pasted everything and pasted on Quillbot. It will just paraphrase everything in a prominent manner, and as we all know that we always update our facts. So I would just remove all the fact section. Whatever the things we are not updating, we will paraphrase it. And how we are going to do that, let me show you. Let me first remove all the space as you can see on the screen. So after paraphrasing the content, you will see that a better version, like from know to it learn, then go here, come to our next workshop, and the content has been a bit changed. So whatever the things you have been publishing on a constant basis, you can use Quillbot for enhancing your content by like making sure the meaning, the truthfulness doesn't change. So that's how you can use Quillbot for paraphrasing your content. Then the next tool is whoever is using social media, he or she needs to take care that whatever the thing she is doing, is she doing it in a prominent manner? Is the output she is fetching is clear, or is she not able to fetch the data as required? So what she can do is she can go to not just analytics, and over here she will find that whatever the problems we are facing, that our engagement rate is 2.13% low. We don't have any suspicious following, like no, we don't have any fake followers. There is no activity in our story viewing. Everything is pretty normal. You can see the our follower rates are been decreasing. So this is the analysis you can have on this particular domain. And what are the hashtags we are using nowadays? It shows me in a prominent manner. What are the video views? Which video has the highest view count? Which has the lowest one? Which has more lowest one? Everything has been shared with me, and that's how I think not just analytics will provide you an insight that whatever the things I'm doing, is it prominent, and you can log in into this for getting a 14 days trial and can activate your account with ease. Then one more platform for hashtags. If you are finding uh, all hashtags a bit difficult, so just click on cryptocurrency, and by the means of cryptocurrency, you will be finding n number of hashtags on cryptocurrency. Like best 30, you will find on a single platform itself. Just copy it and add this hashtag in your caption. So this was the things which you can use as a tool on your social media handle, that is Facebook and Instagram, as well as for your YouTube and LinkedIn. Then comes like minor aspect for LinkedIn. Sorry, for YouTube. On YouTube, it's not about adding shorts or adding videos. On YouTube, you can also add posters and pictures by going into the community section. For instance, I'm showing you the page of Sandeep Maheshwari, that he has uploaded images in his like community blog, and same thing can be done on our IGMA's page also, that we can promote our posters by adding our posters in the community section with ease. Just do make sure, guys, if you're using YouTube, then YouTube is not a platform for just videos, for just shorts, but also for posters. So do add posters and images in the YouTube section. Last but not the least, about engagement on LinkedIn. In past, I have talked about that how easily you can fetch uh, engagement on LinkedIn, but I have also shared one detailed insight that you need to tag individual in order to fetch number of views. For instance, I'm not eager about getting number of likes, but I'm more eager for getting no number of views. On a single post, I have received 30,000 view counts. This 30,000 states that if at least 25% of the individual have uh, thought my post is pretty serious, thought that it is a bit insightful, that I would have got 30% of leads from a single post itself. So how this happened? I tagged individual from the domain of big MNCs like IBM and AWS, and how they helped me by liking my post. I guess every individual who is watching my video would be aware that what is IBM and who is IBM. So IBM has liked my post, who has about 11 lakh followers. So what has happened? That once IBM has liked my post, then this has helped me in order to fetch their followers on my page, and I have got a good insight. So this was about IBM, but I'm not talking about IBM itself. Let me show you another example. Recently, 2 days back, I have just uploaded one more thing. So over here, I'm not aware about who is Colton Andrews or Manu Pillai. I just added their name by searching on LinkedIn, and how it has resulted me out. I've just added Manu Pillai as I've tagged on him on my post, and the best part was that he is one of the good speaker and as well as instructor in coding blogs, which is also an education website or an education portal. He liked my post, and what happened next is his followers got to know about my post, and I got his followers as my insights. So that's why one of the tacky insights about LinkedIn is tag individuals whom you don't know. This will help you in order to get fetch more number of leads with ease. Sometimes views matter the most as compared to likes, and that's how uh, LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube plays a major role in every sort of platform if you are using tools in a prominent manner. So this was whole sort of tools and detailed analysis about how you can use this particular tool for growing your domain and for growing your social media handle. Don't worry, guys. I will be providing all the links in the description section for your better understanding. Just do follow and subscribe our YouTube as well as social media handles for more new social media marketing and other digital marketing courses. Thank you and have a good day.